Today we're going to be taking a look at these Oneodio Monitor 60 high resolution headphones. Now these are closed back over the ear headphones. Oneodio have actually gone ahead and supplied us with a handy little coffee cup coaster and a headset stand too, all of which will be linked in the video description and down below. The headphones though, they do retail around £70, that's around 92 in US dollars, and they are ideal for DJs, although you can use them for everyday use too. Inside the box, everything comes fairly well presented and packaged. We do get quite a durable PU leather pull cord carry case, and within that case we've got the Monitor 60 headphones themselves, which to be honest look quite good. Yeah. Now on the outside of those 15mm driver units, we've got those usual Oneodio vinyl discs with a grille that sits just central, with that chrome Oneodio logo that sits just behind it. There is quite a bit of chrome detail around the headphones, which really catches the eye when a bit of that chrome hits the light, that is. But on the top of that headband, we also have that Oneodio brand embedded too. Now that headband is PU leather padded, it's quite durable and quite thick, and these headphones also have matching PU leather ear pads that are quite huge, that sit on those 15mm drive units. Look at the size of them. Now because these headphones do look a bit bulky when on, they are certainly quite light, and because they are light, they do fit firmly upon my head, fitting to the contours of my ears perfectly. These headphones also lock out up to 40% of the outside noise. They stay locked in place, not falling off whatsoever, and I think that they'd be great for long use too. And we do have the left and right earphone indications printed on that inner foam lining, but what is great about these Oneodio headphones is that not only do the driver units tilt up and down, but they also rotate too, to enable good monitoring of music, which is good again for you budding DJs who want to monitor your music mix. Now, if you've got a massive size melon, these headphones will fit perfectly fine. They are adjustable in every type of way, but on the left-hand drive unit, we do get that 6.35mm audio port. To the right, we do also get a 3.5mm port too. Now, although it does look like a Oneodio specific audio port, I will note you can indeed go ahead and buy an aftermarket cable should you wish, and it will fit perfectly fine. Now, about these cables, you do get 3 cables within the box. You get a basic one with a microphone and a function button included for answering calls or play pausing music, etc., which is good to use on your mobile phone or laptop. But we are also given a very lengthy 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, which is good to use on your TV. So yeah, you can chillax in bed or watching your movie late at night. Our last cable is a very lengthy, extendable stretcher 6.35mm to 3.5mm audio cable. Now this cable is monitor specific, so when you place it in that left-hand driver unit and plug it say into your mixer, you can monitor your music with pinpoint audio accuracy. In addition, I've got to note that there is a fun little aspect when it comes to these headphones. And if you've got a secondary Oneodio headset, no matter which one it is, as long as it's got that 6.35mm audio port and that 3.5mm audio port on the right hand side of that drive unit, well, you can indeed daisy chain this main Monitor 60 headset by plugging one end of the cable into your PS4 or PS5 controller, or indeed a TV or mobile phone, and then plug that left hand driver unit into your secondary headphone unit. Now you can daisy chain a few of these headphones together, and you can go ahead and listen to some gameplay or even some movies late at night without disturbing your neighbours as a group. Yeah. Now audio, when it comes to these headphones, I've got to be honest, is rather good. It has real thumping bass when it comes to most genres of music. It is real deep, and nope, it's not like those cheap headsets that you get that when the company grabs them, they pack a lot of bass into them just to cover all the other poor tones. No. In fact, the high tones and the treble with these headphones, they do sound absolutely brilliant. The only thing I will say is that with certain songs or certain vocals within certain genres of music, the mid-tones occasionally do sound a bit stepped back. Now it's not a big deal because after I've used these for a long time today, it didn't really become that noticeable really. You do get quite used to it, and because I would say that the audio levels collectively do sound almost on point, you do feel when these headphones are on your head, very immersive. locked out from the outside world, and not only that, they feel very comfortable without your ears feeling sweaty or getting too hot. Now what is good is you can plug that audio cable with the microphone built in into your PS5 controller, and yes, you can use the microphone upon it. And when using these headphones during gameplay, I've got to be absolutely 100% here guys, explosions within gameplay sound brilliant. The sound is not too bad, and the polarity is almost quite spot on. Overall, these headphones, even though they do look kind of bulky, they certainly have a professional look about them. They do have a solid feel, they are very well built, and I certainly can recommend them for anyone wanting to use them in conjunction with a keyboard, electronic guitars, musical equipment, and again, any type of music mixers. We are today going to give these Oneodio Monitor 60 headphones a 9 out of 10. I can hardly fault them really, and I am going to leave a handy little link for you guys to check out for yourselves in the video description down below. Now I'm very pleased that not only have Oneodio sent these headphones today, but they've sent numerous amounts of headphones in the past, and they've allowed us to be free with them and give a truthful and honest review. So nope, this video is not sponsored, and we are free to list any negatives or positives should we wish, which we honestly do. Again, because we're not sponsored, you are free to check that link out should you wish. And well, if you've liked what you've seen in this video today, well why not go ahead, check it out for yourself, and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, please go ahead, share and like this video today, it means so much. And please why not show some support by subscribing to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now I've loved doing this review this week, I absolutely like these headphones so much, but I can't wait to get my hands on the brand new tech that we've got today. I really can't wait to test it out, and that new review for that mystery piece of tech will be up on my channel in the next few days. So yes, stay locked and stay tuned. But as usual, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!